How to remove WhatsApp button from your Facebook page. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove WhatsApp button from your Facebook page. So let's get started. First, open up your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, just go to the menu section on the bottom right. After you're there, tap on your profile name. Now you are on your profile. What you'll need to do here is just tap on these three dots right beside advertise. After you tap on it, you will get redirected to page settings. Now right here, tap on edit action button. So after you're here, if you have added your WhatsApp button, it will be right available here. All you need to do is just go back here, tap on remove, and after you tap on remove, it will just get removed from your Facebook page, and it's that simple. So this is how you remove your WhatsApp button from your Facebook page. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video too. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.